No, 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 no. Prove it. Those are the words of someone who has analytical high within their Clifton Strengths 34. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the analytical theme, and we're starting right now. Hey everyone, my name is Gordon, and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about Clifton Strengths, leading a strengths-based life, or anything else leadership related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates. So let me know in the comments below, what's your top 5? What are those top 5 themes that drive your performance and drive your strengths journey? Share that with me in the comments below, and let's jump right in. Theme sits within the strategic thinking domain. Okay. Today's theme is analytical. Analytical sits in the strategic thinking domain. So as stated in the intro, analyticals ask the question, prove it. Show me the evidence. Show me the data. These are the things that drive the analyticals' thinking, their perspective, the way that they approach the world. Now, analyticals don't want to attack another person's perspective. They just want to understand. They want to peel back the layers. They ask questions like, well, how do these pieces combine? How do these things connect? What will the outcome be if we go in this direction? What does the data tell us? These are the questions that get us moving forward as analytical thinkers and as people with analytical that's high in our Clifton Strengths 34. At the end of the day, to be a good teammate and as an analytical, you are really there supporting the team to ask the deeper questions, to get at what are the holes in our argument? What are the things that we might be challenged on as we move this initiative forward, as we deliver on this product, as we complete this presentation? As we want to move forward, the analyticals are asking, they're asking the key questions that strengthen our argument, that give us a good basis for moving work forward and accomplishing things. So using the strategic lens, the strategic thinking lens of analyticals is important. It rounds out all of the work that gets done on a team, and it makes sure that we focus on not forgetting about our blind spots. That's the power of the analytical. So if you like this episode, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. And don't forget, if you want to get more information on Clifton Strengths, resources, or coaching, check the description below. And don't forget to check out these episodes for more information on the Clifton Strengths 34 Themes series. It's always a privilege and an honor to serve this community. We want to continue to add value to your leadership journey. And so we'll see you in the next one. And until then, be well, everyone. Thanks.